Okay, guys, the graph of the linear function k passes through the points, these two. Let me just finish reading this, see if we actually need to plot those points. Which statement is true? Okay, let's just kind of, in our heads, think about this. Negative 7, 0, 1, 8. The slope of that is negative 4/3. It's a positive slope, so that's out. Passes the points negative 1, negative 8, negative 1, negative 8. No. The 0 of k. Yeah, I like that one. So far that looks good. The x-intercept of the k is negative 7. Ooh, my bad. That's way bad. This is 7, but it's supposed to be a negative 7. So that one's wrong. This one's correct. X-intercept, yes. I agree. So that's that one. It goes through the x-intercept of that one. Perfect. 35. Let's go to 34. Which expression is equivalent? Just, you know, to actually distribute on this one. There's a cheat way. I don't think it's very beneficial. Where you just change these to x's. And you can graph that. And change this to an x, that to an x, and graph them. I think it's faster just to multiply it out, just to tell you the truth. Okay, several things. I know I need a negative over here. So to multiply this times this, a negative, it'll give me that. Check. This times here, we're not giving me a negative. Not giving me a negative. So it's either this one or this one. Now use your brain. When you multiply this one, right? If it's this one, then that's your answer. If it's not this one, then that's your answer. 21 times 10, 210. Perfect. D times D, D squared. This one does not have a D. This one does not give you a D squared, so that's my answer. Oh, that one, you need to use a calculator on this one. Come on here, what's the x value? So we're going to turn the calculator, go to the calculator part, and then go straight to the new document. We're going to go to the calculator, and we're going to do, move it over. We're going to go with menu 3, 3x minus 5y equals 22. I'm going to go with y, where's y equals negative 5x plus 32. I really want the x value only. That's actually only you see. 13.5 is 6.5. C. What is the x value? Okay, this is not too bad. So remember, we just covered that one today. That is going to be a decay, so it's going to be that one's out, comes down as that one, or that one. The point right here is at 10. Check 10. That one also looks at 10. So I don't know what to tell you. Get some points, okay? Get some points, and that's it. Look at this point here. 2 and pretty high, like a 7. And 2 and way low, less than 1. So let me turn the calculator, graph that one out. .85 raised to the x. And so there it comes. Obviously, you can tell. It's that one. G. Moving on. G is the answer. Once I see a table like this, you should start thinking about it. List and spreadsheets, menu 413. Come here, turn it on, list and spreadsheets. I'm gonna, is it saying it's linear? Linear, so yeah, all I need is 2. I think that's more stuff to punch in than these, so I'm going to type in the bottom ones. -6. See, make sure I didn't put double negatives. And I thought I put double negative. -6. -2. 33. 15. Come here. Menu 413. B. Control this. And then we're going to go with the slope, -4.5. So I know it's a negative. That one looks good. That one's out. That one's obviously not even a 4.5. Way out. Definitely there. Solution to this one. I don't know how to tell you this one. You can do end solve or you can graph it. Which one y'all want to do, guys? Look at the answers. They're pretty small. So you graph it, you'll be able to see them. So let's go to graphing. You don't mind? (5x squared minus 36x plus 36). What is the value of x? Which value of x is a solution? Solution, remember that, is a root of 0, x intercept. So it's that one or that one. So that's like a 1 point something. Ooh, that one looks good. Or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish. Go with that one. Exponential function. So that's a gross, you can tell. Domain is the question. Anything with a y is out. Domain means x that way. Anything like that's just simple right there. You got it? Or no? Oh no, the other way. So you want it to go in that direction. Anything bigger. Anything bigger than that, -2. And there it is. Cool. Going once, going twice. What's the solution to this one? This is really like a joke. A lot of stuff is going on there, but you see an equal sign, same variable over and over. And solve that sucker. Menu 3, 1. Type it in there. Negative parentheses 6. If they went with m, I'll go with m. 6m plus 8 equals 4. 17 minus m. And then after all that, in the parentheses, still put comma m. -3 is your answer. Which one is equivalent to this? Honestly, 2 ways. I'm not lying to you, 2 ways. You can, this one actually says the 4 allowance. For you to actually do this one, you have to multiply it 3. And then you'd have to do this x plus 2 times x plus 2. That's what this part means. A lot of y'all won't get that, and that's why they're doing that. Plus 7. So you'd actually have to do whatever you get here, and then multiply it times 3. And then plus 7. Since they all have equals, I'm just going to graph it. I'm not lying to you. There's a lot of stuff going on here, all positive, so it's either this one or that one. I think it's that one, because you have to still multiply this one times 3 and then add 7. It's going to be that first one. All of this madness, graph it, and that's it. The 2 graphs that are the same are your answers, because that's what it's asking. Which one's equivalent? First one is 3, and then parentheses x plus 2 squared. Oh, my bad. Squared plus 7. And there it is. Well, let me come here and zoom out. Okay, there it is. Honestly, I think it's A for real. Tab. I'm going to come out here and go y equals. We don't put it in there. That's already your y right there. Do not put y equals, because that's already your y right there. Okay, so you just put the rest. 3x squared plus 12x plus 33 Is it there? 3x squared plus x plus 33. And there, it's way up there. So that, honestly, when I thought it was that one, not even close. So it is 12 plus, yeah, it's that one. So we're going to go tab. I'm going to go erase that one right there. I'm just going to change it up a little bit. You see how everything's the same except 33? So I erased the 33 and I put 19. Boom, exact same thing. They're right on top of each other. You can put these, I guess, whatever you're going to call it, the way it describes them here, as the same thing. This one's an easy one, guys and girls. A function. For it to be a function, your x's do not repeat. I don't care about the y's, so I'm going to cover them. I'm not even looking at the y's. Just look at the x's, okay? Repeats, no, not. Repeats, not. They want table of function. Function. These repeat, not. Okay, we're going to stop that video for today, guys. Be safe. God bless. We'll see y'all in a little bit.